So a really interesting debate has started in terms of analog versus digital, which one is most popular. And this all started in my review of Bachmann's 08 shunter, where I said DCC ready models are by far the most popular and loads of people still use analog to this day. And I've had some really angry comments about that, both on my YouTube channel and I've seen on the forums as well. People have said that I said DCC ready models are the best sellers and therefore most people use analog. I did not say that because that does not follow. People could be buying their own decoders to fit. I just said DCC ready models are the best sellers and I left it at that, which tells us that there is an appetite for locomotives without a decoder fitted, but nothing more. And I also said many people still use analog because we know that's to be true. So that's the first little moan. Don't put words into my mouth and then get angry at me for those words, because that's an absurd way to behave. But what I did decide to do is post a poll. Do you most often use digital or analog? And here are the results. As you can see, they are quite clear. Analog wins it by quite a large percent. So is that end of story then? Is that a definitive answer? No, it isn't, because this poll almost certainly will not give us the complete picture. And this is the really interesting thing. My theory is that no matter where you ask this question, you will never get a completely accurate, reliable result. And this is a fascinating thought experiment, and I urge you to give this a try. So where could we ask this question? You can't ask it on my YouTube channel because most of my reviews focus on analog models and therefore there's going to be a skew in my audience towards analog users. So you could ask a YouTuber to do this poll who focuses more on digital fitted models, but then you'd have the same problem. They might come away from that poll saying that 80% of people use digital and only 20 use analog. So let's forget YouTubers. A better way might be to ask people at a large model railway exhibition, maybe one at the NEC, like the one I go to. You've got thousands of people, there won't be a skew between analog or digital. But wrong, I disagree with that because the NEC is really expensive. So to go to that exhibition, you've got to travel there either by train or by car. Both are expensive. If you go by car, you've got massive parking costs. Then you've got to buy a ticket for the exhibition, which is unimaginably expensive these days. And then obviously if you don't bring your own food, you've also got to buy food. A day at the NEC is incredibly expensive. So statistically speaking, the people who can afford a day at the NEC are more likely to be able to afford to run DCC. So that is a dud idea. You might say, let's go and ask this question on one of the forums. Those are neutral. There's no major skew between digital and analog on there. But no, once again, I don't think so, because people using the forums have to be tech savvy enough to own a computer or mobile phone, something like that. They have to be able to navigate to the forum, create an account, make a post. This doesn't account for Nigel, who's sitting at home in his living room with a TV. That's the most tech he's got. He doesn't have a computer. He's still using his 1960s Triang train set. He still enjoys reliving his childhood. Nigel wouldn't even find out that this poll had been posted, so you can't post on an online forum. Those that are tech savvy enough to use an online forum are more likely to be tech savvy enough to use DCC. The other idea I had was, what about in a model shop? Why don't we ask model shops to create this poll? But again, I don't think so, because if you're going to a model shop, statistically speaking, you're in the market for something new, right? You can afford to buy a new model or a second-hand model. The people that can't afford to buy a new model probably aren't going to model shops as much, and those are the people that are more likely to be running analog. So the answer is we don't know whether analog or digital is the most popular, and there's almost no way to find out. All we can say though is that our own little findings suggest a certain answer. My poll suggests most people use analog. A poll you set up might suggest that the opposite is true. So we don't know what the answer is, but we do know loads of people still use analog.